Good day, adventurers. I am the apprentice, and I am combing my beard. Today we're going to be talking about this major question. Do you brush or comb your beard before or after you put in the oil?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Now, adventurers, this is typically a personal preference, but if you're looking for some sort of solid answer to be given, here's something that you need to be considering when it comes to brushing before or after you put in oil. The condition of your beard. If you have a beard that is naturally unruly or easily tangled, what we recommend to you is that you detangle your beard first. Comb, brush, take the time that you need. I understand that there are some that are really unruly, so it's harder to get it detangled. Well, after you are done detangling, then put in the oil. You are essentially clearing a path for the oil and your fingers to get to your skin. Don't forget that oil is meant for the skin more so than it is for the hair. Now, if you are an adventurer that has already a naturally well-maintained, well-groomed beard, first off, good for you. Many people, I'm sure, are jealous. But also, that means that you can put the oil in first before you comb or brush. The combing and the brushing coming afterwards is a good use, a good tactic to take to spread the oil around. You are starting at your skin, but if you comb through, you can take it a little bit to the hairs, kind of exfoliating the skin along the way. Ultimately, this is a personal preference. Now, I do both. I typically will help detangle my beard before I put in oil, and then I like to spread it through, whether it's a comb or a brush. But there are some people that are pretty strict and they're kind of routine, and they think that before once or before after is the way to go. That's totally fine. Let us know in the comments what your typical grooming routine is. Hopefully this was a helpful video to you adventurers who is looking for the basic answer to is it better to comb before or after you put on oil. If it was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. If you go to buy anything from our store, please use our discount code YT25. And once more, adventurers, thank you very much. May your beards be forever blessed, and fortune and treasure forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.